All right. It's the big guy from BigGuyVinny.com. I'm here with my number one homie, my barber, my buddy, my bro, Big Rodney Washington here, and Mr. Raw Cuts across from Logansport High School. That's the baby right there, the Gumball machine. Mr. Rodney here taking care of him. So y'all in Logansport area, drop on by, holler at my man, Mr. Rodney, get you some bubble gum.
And a free cut. Fresh cut.
Oh, a fresh cut. All right, the big guy, BigGuyCustoms.com says, hey, I'm sorry, BigGuyVinny.com. Throw out the wrong moniker. Big Guy Vinny.
Don't be sad. I won't be bad. Computers and Blues 2010.
Lady, get in line, let me see your bestest wine. Lady, get in line, let me see your bestest wine.
I'd happily pay good money to rave on the pavement, sonny. Stave off the pain with some beer.
Give me some of yours, let me give you some of mine.
Fan a man if he flags and bag a fag off a madam. Back to plans that we have made, man a man dagger that. Happily pay good money to rave on the pavement, sonny. Stave off the pain with some beer. Stave off the pain with come here.
Any old move can be a dance when the old shoes become a trance.
Some like to sin no still, jump off the windowsill. Slum dogs and peeled up Jills, run upon the floor then still. Give me that.
Lady, get in line, let me see your bestest wine. Lady, get in line, let me see your bestest wine.
I'd happily pay good money to rave on the pavement, sonny. Stave off the pain.